Soft and creating a new project. Select the appropriate PLC model and configure the communication settings to connect with virtual PLC Comgger. This ensures the simulation runs smoothly. In the ladder diagram workspace, we'll define two inputs, X0 and X1, and one output, Y0. Add X0 and X1 as normally open contacts and YO as the output coil. Develop a toggle logic that allows either switch to turn the output on or off, simulating the functionality of a two-way control system. Once done, download the ladder logic to Virtual PLC Comgger and use the simulation mode to test the functionality. Toggle the inputs and verify that Y0 responds correctly to the switches. Next, move to DopSoft to integrate the HMI, create a new project, and configure its communication settings to match the PLC. Design the HMI screen by adding two buttons to represent X0 and X1. Map these buttons to the corresponding inputs in the PLC program. Run the HMI simulation and test the buttons. Pressing each button should toggle the output Y0 as expected. This completes the two-way switch control setup, demonstrating seamless interaction between Delta PLC and HMI. This simple project highlights how easily IPsoft, DopSoft, and Virtual PLC Comgger can be used together to create and test automation systems.